haircut. Ellie into second. That was a fantastic start for them. And Fergie's going to sneak up there inside.
Here at Wheatland. Submarine in the final round in the far lane. The red boat goes underwater. The white boat goes on the rocks.
Completely submerged. Look at the mud on the sponson. I mean, talk about stuffing one in. I mean, he stuck it in hard, of course, and then Daryl Ehrlich, unfortunately, was not able to keep his off the beach.
Daryl Ehrlich ended up winning the round, but it's kind of a strange round when you...
Lead. Van Heerden in second, Lee's on the outside in first. Or is it? A complete 360-degree barrel roll and...
Ferguson is racing in the International Hot Boat Association Championships when he catches air and loses control.
Red light, red light.
As the mist clears, the $50,000 boat is completely obliterated. Tiny fragments litter the water.
Rescue only, please.
The boat begin to slow down, but it's clearly out of control, continuing across the lake at full throttle.
Red light, red light.
And it's only a matter of time before he runs out of water. Black smoke bellows from behind the trees.
We boat off the top.
To the water patrol, the boat slammed from side to side, causing injuries to the driver and 6 passengers. We have exclusive footage of the graphic accident filmed by our own Lake TV crew. 5 were taken to Lake.
I just got that on film.
with their powerboat, King of Shades. Closing in on first place at 138 miles per hour, they steer a hard left.
And too tight on it!
And then...
That is absolutely massive.
Lost control and the boat ended up in an adjoining paddock. Miraculously, Carroll and his navigator escaped injured.
He shoots out at the start like a water cannon. And then